What started as a bitter divorce has now exploded into a high-stakes international custody battle, complete with allegations of kidnapping, secret recordings, and a shocking 25 lakh extortion claim against the Chennai police. At the heart of this legal storm is Prasanna Sankar, co-founder of the Silicon Valley startup Rippling, and his estranged wife Divya. The drama unfolded when Divya accused Sankar of kidnapping their 9-year-old son and rendered him a sex predator in a sensational press conference. But Sankar isn't backing down. He has hit back with explosive claims of his own, armed with WhatsApp screenshots, email exchanges, and court document that he says expose his wife's lie. The custody tug of war, kidnap or rescue. According to Divya, Sankar took their son from her by force, but his evidence tells a different story. A WhatsApp chat allegedly shows Divya voluntarily agreeing to the child's pickup schedule. Even more shockingly, Sankar claims Divya was the real abductor, whisking their son away from Singapore to the US, enrolling him in a public school and brainwashing him to believe his father abandoned him. The sex predator allegation truth or smear campaign. At a Chennai press conference, Divya painted Sankar as a criminal, accusing him of secretly recording women and even spending time in jail in Singapore. But Sankar claims the Singapore police dismissed these allegations due to lack of evidence, and a US judge later ruled in his favor as well. Was this a calculated attack or an inconvenient truth buried by legal loopholes? The case remains murky and both sides are doubling down on their claims. 25 lakh extortion and Chennai police role. As if the allegations weren't wild enough, Sankar has now accused the Chennai police of corruption. He claims officers arrested his friend Gokul, who helped him pick up his son, and demanded 25 lakh to release him. He further alleges that police are illegally tracking his phone and IP address. Divorce money and a 50-50 custody deal in question. Behind the heated accusations is a divorce settlement that Divya now claims was forced upon her, but Sankar has leaked an email exchange that suggests otherwise. The terms: a mutual consent divorce in India, $5,000 monthly support for Divya, and shared custody of their son. So why is Divya fighting back? Sankar believes it's because she's unhappy with the financial division, while she insists she was coerced into signing the deal. With accusations flying in every direction, legal battles in multiple countries, and the police now caught in the crossfire, this case is far from over. Will Sankar prove his innocence, or will Divya's allegations gain traction?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.